And the other one I wanted to bring up was this one. The White House workshops plan to bring back Anthropic. So if you haven't been paying attention, we talked about this last week. And we talked about it again. No, we talked about this like 2 weeks ago. Then we talked about it again last week. And so it looks like that behind the scenes, a draft executive action that's currently in the works could, among other steps related to the government's use of AI, give the administration a way to dial down the Anthropic fight. One source described the White House efforts as a way to save face and bring them back. Basically, it says that the White House and Anthropic have made up, and they're going to be working together.
Hey,
did you see that coming?
No, but I wonder what happened.
Mythos, probably.
Yeah. Does that mean that the White House conceded and they were willing to?
I think they were trying to save face, but I think they had it was like playing chess, and then they had one of this way, and then they had this one, and then the Mythos came and had the queen.
All right,
ready for checkmate.
So Anthropic got enough leverage, and
I think it was just all about leverage. Hey. And then the other one was this one here. Let's see if we can pull this. Yeah. And then in the other news, Pentagon signs new military AI deals with NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Amazon. So basically, they're handing out these military contracts. They got some more deals reached: NVIDIA, Microsoft, Reflection, AI, Amazon Web Services. These are the same ones that are similar to SpaceX, OpenAI, and Google. So what do you think about this, Keyan? Anthropic might be getting the same one too.
I think all the predictions about AI eventually become like mostly being a weapon, and there being like a global arms race in AI development. It seems to be coming true, and that eventually the governments will completely take possession of them for security reasons.
I think the sad thing about all this is like there's no American open source AI.
No, well, I guess okay. So Facebook stopped doing it. I think that is true. I wonder if there is none of them though. I'm not familiar enough with the space to say that there are none of them.
Yeah, I think there's
not a frontier model.
There's only which is very important because Chinese open source models have infiltrated a lot of different companies. So basically, China, a communist state, has open sourced a ton of models, and they're infiltrating everywhere you see. I mean, you even have people in China got us. There you go. You see that?
Oh man!
Boom! As soon as we say communism, freaking get cut. That's rare. We've never lost connection before. Communism. Chinese Communist Party are the only ones that have open source models out there, Keyan.
Well, maybe that's because they're commies and they don't care about.
But there's no open source American like model, dude. That doesn't scare you?
I mean, there's not one that is competitive with other frontier models, or I think as good as the Chinese open source models. But we do. I'm pretty certain that we have like mid. I think we have pretty good mid open source models coming out of the United States, but not ones that aren't like competitive with frontier models.
Too late. We're all going to be using Anthropic. I'm praising this guy.
What? Oh, I don't want to. Yeah, I turned on our.
Anyway.